Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to configure Windows Server Backup. Firstly, open the Start menu on the Windows Server desktop and search for Windows Server Backup and open it. Select Local Backup from the menu and click on the Backup Schedule to open the Backup Schedule wizard. Read the Getting Started message, then click Next and select the type of backup configuration, Full System Backup and Custom Backup. If selecting Custom, click Next. Now, click on Add Items and select the Jellyfish library on any other files you wish to backup. If you need to backup your metadata, add the following path, which is users, your username, app data, local, Jellyfin, and metadata. Then click Next. In the Specify Backup Time section, set the frequency and preferred times for backup, then click Next. Now select one of the following backup destination: backup to a dedicated hard disk, to a volume, or to a shared network folder. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.